Hi guys, this is Emerald and we are back for another Minecraft faction video. And today we'll be joining with Comet.
So,
Hey Comet. So today, thank you very much for the support of episode 1. We got like 2 likes and some of the people views and yeah. So keep it up. I'm really happy about that. Woo! Yes, thank you very much. So why are we starting at spawn? So
because we got raided.
yeah, we got raided. I'll let you see guys in F home. Let's go in F home, David. Bye bye. If you can see guys, F home is destroyed, annihilated.
Yeah,
They have still touch. Ah no, we cannot get the.
we don't have any circle.
We have a little bit of stuff, eh?
Yep, I some stuff.
There's some stuff here.
At least,
Yeah,
at least the Netherworld farm is still alive.
yeah. The other word fun. Yeah, you mind that, you mind. So guys, it's kinda sucks, eh? Dash dash F and claim all.
I'm playing. Oh,
Yeah, we will unclaim this.
okay, I'm playing.
You don't have permission to unclaim all your factions land.
Yeah,
Unclaim. Slash F and never mind them. So we're going to unclaim this bad boy. If you want to leave here, leave. Oh, our diamonds are gone, eh?
yep, the diamonds.
Dang it. Let's get the anvil.
Hey, did you get my anvil?
Yeah, I got it.
That's mine.
Sorry about that, guys. My sister is singing, kinda. So you heard my grandma again? Episode 2. She is here again. She is our special guest, guys. How sick is that? So there you go, guys. I slash F map. You can see where we live. Who the heck raided us, by the way?
It's the admin, the Batman.
The admin?
Yep,
That's illegal.
yep, I know. I told the owner. He said he will promote.
We need to report this. Report. Can you, do I have shouting? Nope. Can you find the one land? It's still claimed. Let me get this. It's kinda sad, guys. We are already rated episode 2. Oh my god. Do I have a. Yeah, there we go. I have cobblestone. Just mine this, mine that. I think Ward Farm is the biggest money here. Okay?
No, really.
They better add some stuffs to be sold here. So we can buy iron golem spawn. Oh baby. That will be sick. Man, this is so sad. Where are we going to live now?
Where hobos?
Yeah. Better find another.
Wait, let's claim this. Let's claim
Oh, claim the spider spawn.
set claim. There we go.
Claim it. So we can mine it if we got so patch.
Yeah. Hey, by the way, I'm buying what do you call that? XP bottles.
Yeah, go. Oh, by the way, guys, you can buy XP bottles up. Warp enchant.
Warp enchant.
Yes, so you can buy enchanting bottles there, guys. I will let you see in just a sec. Let me just get this couple of soul sands in Netherworld. Oh, by the way, guys, I am using Fraps, not Bandicam anymore.
Bandicam.
Bye bye, Bandicam. Let's put some cobblestone here. Oh, no, half a stack. So, are you here at Rocket Chan? Here it is, guys. You can buy enchanting bottles, one stack for 1,000. How awesome is that? that cool, David? Is that cool?
Kinda.
What this pressure plate do?
Nothing.
Oh my god, I thought I'm stuck there. Oh my. I'm stuck, no! I'm stuck! This is so funny, someone claimed it. Oh, no one claimed it now.
Because I told do you know
The
the
staffs?
stuff? I said it's clean.
Now I claimed it. Four.
Get banned if you're not.
Oh my god, I'm lagging.
Come on, no XP battles.
If we claim this, can we mind enchanting? No.
Oh, here we go. I will show you something. Go to warp. Wait.
Warp what?
Warp enchant.
Okay, I'm here.
Look at this. Wait, let me show you something.
Okay. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Hey, do you see me? Do you see me?
Oh, there you. I saw it.
Here, look.
Yeah, let's go mine. Let's go mine. I should have claimed. Let's mine that enchanting box. Can you mine this? No.
But we can mine this. Because
Yeah, the owner should claim it in war zone or
Yep.
something, safe zone whatsoever.
well, we can chop this.
Let's salvage the warp enchant, and then the owner will ban us. How sick is that? That is so sick. So let's find some place, David.
Sure,
Let's go to spawn. Slash spawn.
you go ahead.
Oh, but
Oh, who's that?
by the way, there are some stuff still at F home if you want to get some. Oh my god, PHB me is here in diamond tier.
Lol.
Oh my god. I can't fight you right now.
Where?
I kinda have the stuffs. So really,
Where?
here.
Where?
Easy. Spawn.
Ooh.
Oh, do you have speed to potion?
Nope.
Oh well, then he's Ender Pearl. I hope this guy don't follow me or I am screwed. I'm going to die here easily. Easy peasy.
Go Emerald.
Don't
Don't die, I guess.
do not follow me or I will kill you. I will kill you. Oh, David, find a place for our home. Oh,
Go ahead. I'm still smelting stuff.
if I found one, they will see it. Where we live, dude.
No, go farther. Farther.
They will see it. I'm recording.
Oh, nice. Well, don't smash that F3.
No, I can't.
Don't smash that F3.
Yeah, no. What shall we do now?
We're hollows. We live in caves.
How about if I PvP with VHV me?
Sure, why not?
A little bit of PvP. Hey,
Wait, let me go home. F home.
I hope this guy fight, dude. Oh, this will be so sweet. Oh, Android's awesome said, are you?
Yep.
Yes.
Hey, by the way, I have tons of ores.
Oh, dude, PHB me said no. Oh, he said wait.
Faction or kit? Faction.
Factions, dude. Of course, factions. Oh, sure. Android's awesome whatsoever. Dude, go. Come to spawn when we are going to PvP. Alright.
Wait, I'm storing stuff. So I will not die.
PHB me got raided too, dude.
Nice.
Hannah! You can. I'm so sorry if you can. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, I love this guy, dude.
Yep.
I love this guy. Andro's awesome guy. Shout out to Andros. He's awesome. He's an awesome guy. You can see it. Andros is awesome. So yeah, a little bit of a shout out at episode 2. Where are you? Can I TP today?
No.
Oh, let's give him 1 minute. Okay. What are you doing?
Storing stuff in my base.
Oh, let me TP.
No.
Ah.
This is my private base, you know.
So you can see, guys, that David is a selfish guy.
Yep. I'm
Selfish
selfish.
guy. Don't worry, guys. I know his password. Do not worry.
No.
Like literally, I know his password.
Go to spot.
Okay, go to spawn, dude. Wait, do we have word PvP?
I don't know.
Yeah, we have word PvP.
Let's go.
I never saw
here.
that. Oh, he is here. He is here. Let me gear up.
Don't worry, I have my diamond armor.
Let me gear up.
I'm surely prepared this time, you know. Oh, he's in diamond armor. Nice.
Who?
PHB me.
Yeah, I told him.
He's kind of glitching in the floor, you know.
Do you have any potions or literally none?
Literally none.
Oh, yeah. I will give your stuff back. Don't worry. We will give his stuff back, guys.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Just in case. Let go. Let go! Oh my god, why I can't run? Come on. It's PvP at spawn. PvP at spawn. A little bit of PvP in here. Come on, buddies. Come on. For the episode 2 sake. Yeah, there we go. 2v2 dude. Dark Ice Phoenix and on this awesome guy versus me and you. Come on, come here. David. Here. Shall we?
Yeah.
360. Paching. How sick is
Oh
that?
no. PHB.
Come. Awesome. Yeah, we can kill. Where is he? Where is PV? Oh, there. Come down if he come down. Hi.
He's eating golden apple.
Oh, I thought. Oh my god. Are you ready for this, David?
Yep.
PHB me, whoever you are, you look strong. Can I shoot him from this side? No, no.
Calm down.
Calm down. Sexies.
Here we go, here we go.
Oh, a little bit of luck there.
Oh no.
Oh, he got a good sword, dude. He got a good sword. He needs to die right now.
Yep.
Oh, I forget we're going to give his stuff back.
Yep. Did you kill him?
Yeah, we got his stuff.
Can I see, can I see?
But I don't have his sword. Wait, what?
What?
Clear lag or no? No. Did not clear lag. Do you have the stuff? Can you check in your inventory?
Nope, I
Oh,
don't.
he's here. EVVH me is here. EVVH is me is here. Come on, bud.
Oh, no, he's
Come on,
killing
bud.
me.
No, you're not
He's
going to
killing
die,
me.
dude. Come on, fight,
Oh
fight.
no. He's killing me.
Just keep. Yes!
Oh,
GG!
no, yeah.
GG, baby. GG.
Nice,
GG.
nice.
GG, buds. Do you have the stuff? Do you have the stuff?
I have only the... Oh no. Who is that? Who is that?
Run, run.
Invisible
Invis guy. Run. You cannot fight an Invis guy, dude. Like
Yeah.
literally.
Invisible guy. I'm running. I have speed to you know. I'm running. Very fast.
Yeah. Oh, David, do you have all the stuff from the PHB me?
Nope, not all.
Not all. I only have the chest plate and the pickaxe.
What kind of pickups?
Just efficiency 1.
Ooh.
Not that good.
I have only efficiency 1 X.
Comment
Potion
answer.
instant health.
I have full names. What is the enchant of the armor?
The what do you call that? I have the helmet.
What is the enchant?
Projectile protection for an aqua infinity.
The others.
I got only the diamond axe, you know.
What is the enchant?
Efficiency one.
Oh, that is so OP. I think he did not drop his stuffs.
Yup.
Oh my love. If you guys like that PvP, please touch that like button and subscribe, of course.
Yup.
Hannah! So sorry guys, my sister's kind of playing. Oh, I got the leggings. Did you throw it?
What's the enchant?
Projectile, just projectile.
Ooh.
Not that good really. Let's put some leggings here. There we go.
Hey, he's asking how did you get that sword?
From the legendaries. I enchanted it. Yeah, from the legendaries.
Hasta la vista.
Oh yeah. From warp enchant. So yeah. Warp enchant. Come on, David. Let me see your base, dude.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on,
Because
dude.
said my brother, don't ever waste your time showing your friends your base.
Come on, dude. Come on. I won't trade you anyways.
No.
Ooh, 16 ender pearls. Come on, dude.
Honor pledge.
Accept, please. Please. I won't set home. You will see it anyways. If I set home.
I think so, no.
Come on, accept it.
No, sorry.
So you can see, guys. David's a really selfish guy.
Yep.
I will open his account later. Don't worry.
No.
I will set home there and grief him
No.
bad. So come to spawn, David.
Wait, I'm storing some stuff.
We will wrap the video up. Come on, David. Come.
Oh, I have tons of ender pearl here.
Efficiency 1, not gonna need it. Golden apples, I guess. Why not last bottle? Not really. So, David, come. We're going to end the video. Stay boldy.
Come on.
Come on, David. We are waiting for David, guys.
I'm here.
By the way, guys, like what I said, 50% off in this October. So,
Ooh, diamond pickaxe. Give me.
no, it's efficiency 1. So,
Ooh.
this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you like it, subscribe and
Smash that like
please,
button.
yes, touch that like button really quick. You will only use one finger to do that, so you won't waste any energy from that. So this is me and Comet, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, Comet.